Alright guys, welcome back to West Texas Wild. This is going to be kind of my first video back in a while. I know I've missed a couple days, but we're going to get the Polaris loaded up right now. We're going to go duck hunting in the morning. But before that, I'm going to roll a clip from last week. I went hunting last Monday, and I didn't see anything, but I got a few clips from it, so let me roll those real quick. Definitely not me walking all the way back to the truck because I forgot my phone. Wonderful. Alright guys, welcome back to West Texas Wild. We're doing a bit of a name change so we can broaden our horizons a little bit. So instead of just doing duck hunting, we're going to bring in fishing and deer hunting and everything like that as well. So we just got set up in our spot here this morning, so you can see we got a little bit of cattails going on. We got our camera over there. Of course, Gus is here, but we got set up in this little pool below this dam, kind of where we were the other day. So we probably have another 5 minutes till shooting light, and we'll be good to go. So hopefully something comes in. I know it's been slow of the past few videos, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so now let's get this Polaris loaded up on the trailer, and we will see y'all in the morning. I wonder if they're hunting down there. Right there. A little early.
Either me or you, Kyle, I don't know.
We all shot.
No, I think that last one is either me or Jake.
We shot
at the same time.
Literally the exact same.
I'm just glad it went down.
I'm claiming it because I'm going to go get it.
I'm fine. I'm wearing a rain jacket. I wore a rain jacket specifically for this. It's gonna last 2 minutes.
Alright, so we just got the one teal. That is everything that we shot today. They were definitely not flying, and I don't know where the birds are at, so.
Up here,
with like 8 branches. He thinks you're gonna do it every time.
Believe me, most of the time I'm the one driving. People don't realize that you're getting hit with branches too. It's not just him. Wasn't that cold this morning?
I think it got cold.
Sometimes real cold mornings just drifting. And it hurts. You're like sick forever.
Oh, I know the way.